This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about placemats, specifically this RW Kids Sky Blue Silicone Cloud placemat. It's a wonderful non-slip placemat that is 18 3/4 inch long by 10.5 high, and you can see it has a fun, whimsical little cloud design to it. These are available in 6 vibrant colors, so check out the other colors in addition to the lovely sky blue. These are non-slip and easy to clean, making them great for meals and snack times for kids. They're made from BPA-free food-grade silicone, and that non-slip action keeps them in place on surfaces like your tables, which is fantastic because mealtime with kids can get messy. They even feature a lovely little raised edge all the way around that's going to really help keep minor messes and spills contained until the kids are done eating and it's time to clean up. They have a playful design and fun color that makes them perfect for use at mealtime with the kiddos, and they're going to be great for restaurants and cafes for serving your pint-sized patrons, for use in establishments like daycares, or just at home with your own kids.